Hi friends, this is Faizan and today we will discuss about step-by-step process of COVID-19 vaccine production and distribution. Reason of this topic is to spread awareness about vaccination campaign of COVID-19. There will be multiple vaccines available next year as per updated news, but 3 vaccines will be launched soon, Pfizer and Moderna along with BioNTech. Vaccine frontrunners require 2 doses. No vaccine is 100% effective, and once vaccine is approved by FDA, there will be multiple challenges to overcome before shot can be made widely available. But before our further discussion, I would like to request you all that if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe our channel by pressing the link below. Today we will cover 8 points. First one is research and development. Second one is clinical trials. Third one is large scale production. Fourth one is emergency supply. Fifth one is supply chain control. Sixth one is distribution. And seventh one is resources for vaccination campaign. And eighth one is worldwide annual demand and supply. Since the time of SARS and MERS, scientists have been in a process of research and development. But after COVID-19, multiple research institutes pace up their development stage. That's why Pfizer and BioNTech in a rush to get FDA approval soon. A number of tests already took place, but vaccine safety and effectiveness are important before governmental and international approvals. Mass production will be a biggest challenge because of complex biological and engineered ingredients. Emergency supply of a vaccine could become available after FDA approval. The US and Europe are in line to get the first doses. Another challenge is to control supply chain of a vaccine worldwide, because for the Pfizer candidate -70°C required for the storage of a vaccine, but on the other hand Moderna claims that its vaccine has a longer shelf life when refrigerated at normal fridge temperatures and at room temperature, making it easier to supply across the world. After the worldwide supply of a vaccine, local government bodies will be responsible for storing it and shipping it to communities in a need. A country's size, resources, and people's willingness to vaccinate will drive strategy. Syringes, protective equipment, and health workers will be in high demand. To make COVID-19 harder to spread, experts believe as much as 70% of the population may need to have recovered from the disease or be protected by the vaccination. The remaining populace would still be susceptible to the disease. Almost 14.1 billion doses required until the end of 2023. If early vaccine is only 50% effective, the FDA's current minimum threshold, 100% vaccination rate alone would not achieve herd immunity, but could offer protection from more severe impacts of the virus. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.